Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you have admin access and Windows 11 active. This avoids permission issues. Once confirmed, press the Windows key, type settings, and hit enter to open it quickly. Next, navigate to Accessibility, then select Keyboard in the left pane. This is where the toggle keys and filter keys live. Make sure to keep your keyboard connected and test keys briefly so you can hear or not hear beeps as you change settings. Now, in keyboard settings, find toggle keys and switch the sound off. This stops tones for caps lock, num lock, and scroll lock. Once done, locate filter keys and disable it because its key repeat handling can trigger beeps. If there's an additional audio feedback or sound options area, set all keyboard sounds to off or minimal. After changes, press caps lock and num lock to verify silence. This confirms the system-level sounds are suppressed. Finish by restarting Windows Explorer or rebooting so changes apply system-wide. This clears cached sound states. Then open Control Panel, Sounds tab, and set default beep to none to remove any remaining system tone. This targets legacy events. If you still hear beeps, make sure to test another keyboard and create a new Windows user to isolate profile settings. If sounds persist, check third-party keyboard utilities, uninstall or disable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.